Welcome. Lucent. Standard Premium 1000 LPH RO Control Panel Connection Video. Unbox the RO Panel Unit. Please check the items included in RO Panel Unit. Screws, vouches and nuts. User Manual and Warranty Card. Test Report. Please read the user manual carefully and do the installation. Unscrew the RO panel side screw to open the back cover. Give the connections as shown in the user manual. Bring the input cable from mains and insert into 230 volts connector slot. Phase wire into P. Neutral wire into N. Connect the raw water pump connection into RW pump connector slot. Phase wire into P. Neutral wire into N. Connect the high pressure pump connection into HP pump slot. Phase wire into P. Neutral wire into N. Connect the dosing pump connection into UV and DOS slot. Phase wire into P. Neutral wire into N. Connect the auto flush connection into flush slot. Phase wire into P. Neutral wire into N. Check the TDS connection. Remove the male connectors of TWT, RWT, HPH and LPS. Take out the short wires and give the connections accordingly. And insert the connectors as treated water tank connection into TWT float switch connector slot. Raw water tank connection into RWT float switch connector slot. High pressure switch connection into HPS connector slot. Low pressure switch connection into LPS connector slot. Recheck all the connections once. And close the back cover and fix it with screw. Switch on the RO controller and put it in auto mode. The unit will run smoothly. For settings, please scan the QR code on the panel back side. Thank you.